how to turn off email notifications in Nextdoor. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to not miss any updates. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily turn off your email notification that's annoying you on Nextdoor. So let's dive right in. First things first, you need to open up your browser and then you need to go to settings on the left hand side. So once you tap on it, you'll need to go to notification settings and then you can see digest. Tap on it and here you'll get all of the options for email notifications. Now you can toggle off all of the email notifications like this. Just tap on it. So there you go. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.